So Tess is going to be doing her reveal party this weekend, and I'm so bummed because I'm not going to be able to make it. So we are going to do a little like old wives' tale gender reveal to see if it's correct. And based off our research, it's 50-50. We're using baking soda and Tess's pee. So very scientific, crucial part. And if it fizzes in the baking soda, then it's a boy, and if it doesn't fizz, it's a girl. But how many weeks are you first?
14.
Okay, so 14 weeks, and normally you do your anatomy scan at 20.
Mm-hmm.
So she's finding out early through, it's called
Adorable Baby. I don't know.
It's like a 3D.
Yeah, it's a 3D ultrasound. We did it with our daughter Blake, and it was right. It was accurate. And
that's amazing. So you get to find out 6 weeks early, which if you're impatient like every other mom, and especially Tess,
I have no patience,
then you can use that. So I have baking soda in this cup, and it's just 2 tablespoons worth. And then Tess is gonna go pee in this cup, and we're gonna pour it in, and we'll let you know if it fizzes or not. Enjoy your pee. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully just ladies. We got the pee, we got the baking soda. Boy or girl?
I don't know. I've been thinking that it's a boy.
Okay.
Now I'm second guessing myself.
Well, it's 50-50, so.
But whatever this says, I will believe.
Okay, if it's a boy, what do you want to say about your future son? One thing.
If it's a boy, my future son, I hope you're like your dad.
Aww.
He is such a good guy, and it'd be awesome.
And if it's a girl?
I hope you're like your dad. Ready?
Wait, do the
whole
pee,
thing?
Do the pee into the baking soda.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
I thought they said pour that into that.
No.
No.
You always pour the liquid into the powder. You never, otherwise the powder falls on top. Yes.
No.
Okay, well, according to this very reliable website called littlethings.com, you pour the pee into the baking soda. So that's what we're going to do. Tess,
Okay.
you do the honors.
Wait. I feel like I should not be doing this.
Well, desperate times call for desperate measures. I'm not going to be here for the reveal, so.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Do I do
Do it! Yes, do it, all of it. I mean, unless it spills over. Keep going.
It's fizzing!
It's fizzing! Oh my gosh, it's definitely fizzing! You're having a boy!
Wow! I really do feel like it's a boy, but watch.
Well.
I'm gonna be wrong. My pee's gonna be wrong.
Oops, it's 50-50, so
That's pretty cool.
that's amazing. Well, it's not fizzy right now, but you could
was.
hear the
It fizzed up like beer. That's what
Yeah.
it said, right?
yeah. That's amazing!
How cool.
Well, I guess come Saturday, we're gonna find out whether or not our little
Experiment.
very accurate, 50-50, and according to littlethings.com.
It works.
Yeah, so.
I don't even need to go get the ultrasound anymore. It's a boy.
Yeah, it's a boy.
My piece.
I'm so excited for your gender reveal. I wish I was there, but I know I'm gonna get lots of pictures and
Yes,
videos.
we'll have to
and I'll
FaceTime.
in.
Yeah.
But we'll let you guys know if this is correct.
Correct.
So me and Tess just did the DIY at-home gender reveal using the baking soda and her pee to see whether or not it was a boy or girl, and it fizzed. So far I'm thinking it's a boy. I had that feeling before we did the test, but now I feel like my feelings are confirmed by science, and she's feeling that way too, but they're not gonna know for sure until they do the ultrasound and then have their gender reveal party. But since I'm not gonna be there, I'm going to bring the camera over to them, and they're going to take over from there, and so they are going to be bringing you along their journey.
We are
On our way.
to find out if this baby is a boy or a girl. And, well, we're not going to find out there. We are going to
do the ultrasound, and then we're gonna come home and have a little party with our family and friends, and it's gonna be great. So we're on our way. What do you think it is? Whoa,
I don't know. I think it's a boy, but I have no
preference.
Well, yeah. I mean, like, I would like a boy if we have a girl. So,
Yeah.
Obviously happy either way.
Yeah.
And there's no
no bad
particular reason for me to
Oh.
think it's a boy. I just think it's a boy. And maybe that's confirmation bias or whatever you call it.
Yeah.
But just because I would like to have a son.
Yeah.
But I think it's a boy. But we'll find out.
I think it's a boy too, but I think that it's the same thing. I think because I want a boy that I'm thinking it's a boy. But either way, I'm really excited. Yeah, well, we're on our way. Okay, bye.
How's my hair?
Your hair looks good.
We know, or we don't know
We
yet,
don't know
but
anything.
It is in here. The gold.
This envelope.
Boy or girl.
What will baby be?
We had a revelation.
Yeah, while we were sitting in there.
Changed what we thought it is, and I now think it's a girl.
I think it's a girl too. And we saw nothing. She didn't tell us anything. We just both, while we were sitting there waiting for her to give us this, we both were thinking, we think it's a girl. I think it's a girl too.
I don't know why.
I don't either. But we both looked at each other.
If it's a girl, I'm right. And if it's a boy, I was right. So either way,
you're right. We're gonna find out in
math is hard.
3.5 hours. 3.5 hours, and we'll know if we have another little girl coming or a little boy.
Stay tuned.
Do you want me to hold late? What's the age gap? We're gonna find out. 12.
You gotta smash all?
Yeah.
Cool.
Unless I get it.
Unless you got the first one. So the hard-boiled ones are like, it's
Hard-boiled
false.
is not. It's whatever one cracks.
So you just,
That's
like,
the gender.
smash it.
Oh,
so the one hard-boiled is what it is.
There's 11 hard-boiled and one is raw. And so the raw one is the gender.
Smash away.
No.
Okay, come on. I'm cutting you.
Oh my God.
It's
False alarm. Do something. Alright, next.
They smell.
dyed them in vinegar, so your heads are gonna hurt. You're gonna have a headache. Hard boiled.
Smash your heart.
This is the one.
Hard boiled.
Oh.
Thanks for looking out.
No shaking.
There better be one in there. Advanced civilization. That's the one, it's a boy.
Oh. I feel like it's this one.
Nope.
Oh my gosh! Oh,
If this is-
it's gonna be that one. Come on!
No.
No! Oh my gosh!
Come on, Evan, come on,
Oh
Evan.
my gosh!
Good boy, good boy. Let's go.
Ready,
Alright,
set,
good.
go!
Okay. Ready? What are they doing? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, I don't hear.
Give me. There you go. No shaking.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Legacy goes on.
So it looks like our little DIY project was accurate. Tess and Evan are having a boy and we are so excited. I'm so excited for them. If you guys have ever done like a home gender reveal like DIY project that we did, let me know if it was accurate for you guys. And then with your gender reveal parties, if you've done one or are thinking of doing one, what are your ideas? What themes are you going with? Evan and Tess did that super funny egg one, but I know there are so many different ideas out there, so let me know what yours are. Thanks for watching this video, you guys, and we will see you in the next episode of Tessa's pregnancy journey. Bye, guys.